Hi everyone, I'm Luda and I want to show you a very newly and freshly built apartment in Nishi Shinjuku. This is one of the rooms which is about 30 square meters, and I want to show you what is interesting about. There is a lighting and here is the air conditioning. And here is the closet, and above as well. And here is the interphone. You can get calls from downstairs. And here I want to show you the floor. Yeah, here. Also there is a closet here and above as well. And now let's go to the kitchen. So this is the kitchen, very new as well. And here we can have this space, very comfortable, I think. Also there is here we have the sections, and here you can see the control system from the bathroom. This is the space for a fridge. And now we go to the bathroom. So here is the space for the laundry machine, for the wash machine. Also here we have this space for the towels and what people can use. Here the design is very nice, and this is here is the toilet system, controlling system. And here is the bathroom. I want to show you this machine. It's very comfortable. It's like Kansoki. It's for drying and warming the bathroom. It's very comfortable, very useful. This is the bathroom, and here also we have the controlling system. So here was me, Luda, and we are waiting for you to access to our homepage, which you will see next. Thank you!